So this should be interesting. I've got to add radiator fluid, or I guess like antifreeze, half antifreeze, half water, whatever, to my car. Haha! Look at that, I got the hood up. Okay. Oh yeah, it's low. Well, this is me documenting it in case anything goes wrong. So, gonna do it how my uncle told me to do it. The car has sat all night, so super cold. Still nervous. I don't like this, you guys. Should be this hard. Like, turning it. Child's asking for a hot dog. I guess it's a good thing it's this hard to get off, right? No hot dogs right now. When I get done, we can get a hot dog. Don't mind my child. I'm like scared it's gonna pop for some reason. He said to do it slowly, so we're doing it slowly. Am I standing in the wrong place? Probably. I'm sure my neighbors think I'm crazy. Okay. Woohoo! Alright. Now, let's do this. Yeah, I'll get a hot dog in just a minute. Alright. This is the kind my uncle told me to get. And the guy at the auto store helped me get the right thing, because it's great. Look at all them birds flying. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yeah, baby. So at this point, I realized I should have got a funnel. What the heck? way to the max, but it's almost there, so that should be good. Should be good. Yeah, I know, I'm working on the car. Yeah, now to make sure we get this joker all the way on. Shouldn't take as long putting it on as it did taking it off, right? Because now I'm not as scared since I know it's not gonna explode in my face. Even though the car was cold. Ooh, I heard it click. All right, look at that. So future pro tips, if you're doing this on your own, get a funnel. Also, I got me some 50/50 antifreeze, and let me tell you, if you need help, he might have sold me one I didn't really need because this one's like a better one than the one I was gonna get, but when it comes to your car, I'd rather have my car running than save $4 on a different one, but it's all good. Got it all topped off. I got to thinking and I was like, I should probably record me dropping this hood because, you know, that's the satisfying sound of job well done. Adding this to say thanks to my stepdad who noticed it because my mom was getting in the car, so he checked all my levels. And thanks to my uncle who told me what to do. And yes, my child got a hot dog.